sleep ever last night. It was shaking the van really, really badly. The wind was absolutely horrendous. There were a couple of cars with tent boxes on them, so I don't know if they survived the night because they're gone now. It's just been so windy all morning. Been quite scary actually. Really rocking back and forth in the van. Look at this park up for a night. Wow. Look at those views. But in reality, we are sharing with lots of other campers. That's just how it goes in Scotland. But, oh well, I've got lovely views. Rob's just pulling the chair out. And the dog's having their dinner. It's blowing a hoolie! Really, really windy. Only in Scotland do we get woken up by bagpipes in the morning. Hi, Sue. Bloody sun's come out now. Oh, there's the rain coming through. Oh wow. Oh, I wouldn't mind swimming down there. Oh, look at that. Oh, look how deep it is. Why did you run up the bridge? We're parked over there. Unfortunately, we were going to do Ben Nevis today, but the weather warnings are in place for thundery showers and heavy wind, and it's just not worth the risk. So today we don't really have a plan. We're just taking the dog for a quick walk. We're just going to stop off at a cafe somewhere and think about what we're going to do. But we're still going to head up to Fort William because we've got a campsite booked at Glen Nevis. And then hopefully, fingers crossed, if the weather's good tomorrow, we'll do Ben Nevis then. I made an itinerary, but we've got to be flexible with the weather. I knew everything wasn't going to go to plan. In fact, most of the stuff I have on my list we haven't been able to do because we just haven't had the time. And a lot of it has been driving. Like, it's been fun. When you do these things, don't get disheartened when it doesn't go to plan. That's what the adventure is. Bagpipe man is still going. Oh, I know this one.
I were blind, but now I can see.
It's beautiful. Oh, what a good girl. Oh, progress. Only in a few days as well. Oh, you're such a good girl. incredible waterfall. That is so beautiful. Probably the most spectacular one I've seen, I think. Natural. Don't go chasing after him now soon. Whoop whoop. Well done. No, because the wire is getting wider and wider. That's too scary.
How is it, Ruth?
How did you go over? As you can see, it's incredibly wet and miserable, so we've just seen the waterfall that we wanted to. We're going to go and head back to the van now. I got my dates mixed up, so we're actually booked for the Glen Nevis campsite tomorrow, not today, annoyingly. But we're going to go and ask if they've got a spare spot in the campsite with power hookup, because unfortunately we've got a problem with the battery and it's not charging the fridges. It's supposed to be solar panel hooked up to the engine as well, so when you drive in it charges, and it's not. We've contacted the company, they don't know what's wrong, so we're gonna have to try and find somewhere to hook up. The only reason it's a major problem is because Sue is on a raw food diet and all her food is defrosting at a rapid pace. It's been quite hot in the van as well, and we can't keep the fridges on all the time. That's just a long-winded way of saying we're gonna go and find a campsite. And now we're off to hopefully tackle Ben Nevis. God, the staircase is a killer. And the walk into market again. Dying.
She's a lot.
That's a killer.
She's like
Oh,
lost
wow.
at sea level.
Oh wow. views are amazing. Oh wow. Oh fuck. We did it! We conquered Ben Nevis. Well, Rob's already done it 3 times and it was bloody hard. And I think I've got trench foot. There was even snow on top of the mountain as well. That's where we climbed yesterday. Ben Nevis. Absolutely brutal. So today is our last day in Glen Nevis campsite. We only stayed the 2 nights here. We actually managed to get the 2 nights rather than the 1, which is great because it means we've got the hookup, so we had everything charged again and we got to use the showers, which was amazing. Yes, we did Ben Nevis yesterday, which was so difficult, probably the most challenging walk I've done, and the weather wasn't exactly kind to us. Like, it was lovely and sunny down below. Once we got to the top, it was just so cold, like absolutely freezing. My hands went numb, everything was just wet and cold. And we didn't stay at the top for too long. We literally summited and then decided to just head straight back down because it was just too windy, and it even started hailing up there. There was snow up there. Still an incredible day. Like, so proud of myself for doing it because it was a tough walk. It took probably around 6 hours for us to do Ben Nevis as well. I didn't end up filming for the rest of the evening because I just didn't really feel like it, to be honest. It was just nice to relax. I had a nap when I got back, and then me and Rob walked into Fort William town and went for a lovely meal at the Grog and Gruel. Got chatting to an Australian family, which was awesome. People were just really chatty and it was lovely, and had a couple of pints, and then we moved on to the Black Isle bar as well, and that was also awesome. Like, it was actually quite nice just walking back to the campsite tipsy. I will say one thing though, I was really gutted with the amount of litter I did see at Ben Nevis, and I'm not saying it's just here because it's everywhere, but the sheer amount of litter that me and Rob are seeing while we've been parked up or driving around is just absolutely disgusting. I saw way too many human turds on Ben Nevis for my liking. Not that I want to, but the fact that they were done on the path, like, come on, move off the path and go in, take a dump. It was just disgusting. Like, and people trying to cover it with tissue. Where's the sense? I don't just, it was disgusting. We tried to take as much rubbish as we could back with us, but where we stayed in Galloway, it was like, even there, the patches of campfires everywhere, and just the sheer amount of litter that's just been left after people have been camping. Like, why can't people clean up after themselves? The right to be able to camp in Scotland it's just going to be taken away. Honestly, like, the way that people are carrying on is absolutely just vile and just lazy. But yeah, so we've just been for a walk now, getting our stuff ready, and then we're going to head up to the Isle of Skye. But hopefully we're going to try and get another campsite in Isle of Skye because it's a first come first serve basis. So, but if we don't, we'll just play it by ear and then see what we get. But waiting for Rob to get back, and then we'll be on our way. Oh, you're a good girl. I'll give you a piece of cheese. Wait, stay.